ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so whenever you find a video, the message is meant to find you. Tignan natin ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Page of Cups and the Chariot. So, nakikita natin na medyo may LDR ito, or it can be an LDR relationship. Pwedeng nasa ibang bansa, pwedeng nandito lang din, no? Nasa national lang naman, or nasa Pilipinas lang naman, pero sobrang layo talaga. With the Star, wow, and the Five of Wands. So, what is happening here? For some reason, I'm seeing that someone is military. Baka kasi meron din ditong, how do I say this? A fam. Parang feeling natin, meron kayatang hinagap dito na this person is parang you might be in a third party situation. Parang feeling mo parang hindi siya nagsasabi ng totoo. Parang feeling mo, hindi ka naniniwala na single itong taong ito. Kasi nga, chances are, nag-meet kayo online. Chances are, hindi mo pa siya nakikita in person. Chances are, marami ka pang hindi alam sa taong ito. So, let's clarify the Star, clarified with the Hangman and the Seven of Cups. Oo, nag-iiba-iba kasi ang statement niya. So, kapag nagkakaroon kayo ng pag-uusap about your relationship or this person's personal life, ayan, medyo nag-iiba-iba yung statement niya. You're trying to connect the dots, pero hindi mo makuha, no? Parang things are not making sense for you. The Strength card and the Three of Wands. So, ano nangyayari dito? Kasi the Strength card and the Three of Wands, parang it signifies, sabihin natin, you're waiting, pero parang palaging ina-adjust, no? Siguro meron nito mga plans or pangako, pero parang feeling mo, laging inuurong nito ni person yung pwedeng pagkikita ninyo, or laging inuurong ni person yung parang may mali eh. Feeling mo talaga may mali. Kunyari meron time frame kayong nag-uusap, laging na-reschedule on a specific, kumbaga, every Thursday na lang, no? Nag-iiba yung aming dynamic. Parang hindi na siya normal, parang it's an alibi, not a reason. So you're thinking with the Moon card, if this person is telling the truth, clarified with the Lovers and the Ten of Wands. So parang ikaw ngayon, sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, parang hindi ako naniniwalang mahal ako nito, no? Parang hindi ako naniniwala na tototohanin niya yung mga promises niya sa akin. Parang, you smell something fishy with this kind of dynamic with you and your person. So, with the Two of Wands, so ano yung pwede mong malaman at dapat mong malaman at ipapaalam sa iyo ng universe? The Four of Cups and the Six of Swords. Parang pakiramdam natin dito. Kasi the Four of Cups, parang totoo yung hinala mo, no? Parang dito merong isang scenario na parang ipapakita sa iyo na your person is just wasting time. is fooling around, parang hindi kanya ganun kagusto. Well, at least yun yung ipapakita. Tatapusin pa ba natin to? Well, let's see. Baka meron naman plot twist, no? The Empress. Oh. I feel like this is you. The Five of Hazards and the Tower. Ikaw. So parang ikaw mismo, once na ma-identify mo na meron palang someone, ikaw mismo ang lalayo. So, the Five of Cups, the Two of Cups, and the Ten of Cups. So, parang mangyayari dito, ang laki ng panghihinayang mo. Kasi you wasted your time with this person. Parang si person din, same, manghihinayang siya, pero ang panghihinayang niya dito is nawala yung taong nagmamahal sa kanya ng tunay. So, in a sense, parehas kayo na meron kayong mutual energy na pagdadaanan or mirrored energy na pagdadaanan. Ikaw, manghihinayang because you wasted your time. Siya nang manghihinayang because nawawala or mawawala or nawala na yung taong nagmamahal sa kanya ng tunay. So the King of Cups, the Four of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Susubukan nitong hanapin ka or kontakin ka online. Parang feeling ko hindi rin naman niya kaya, no? Na magkaroon kayo ng ganitong klaseng separation. The Seven of Hazards, the Hierophant, and the Nine of Cups. So, hahabulin ka nito at parang iiwan niya na yung una. So, ikaw kasi yung parang naging third wheel or third party, pero ikaw ang pupuntahan. So I feel like nung una medyo naglalaro ito, pero at the end of the day, sa'yo siya tatakbo. Ikaw yung pananagutan niya, ikaw yung pipiliin niya. The Seven of Hazards, antayin mo kasi approaching na ito. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate dito sa reading na ito, let me know sa comment section. At kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, no, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun po siya. No? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pisces, Virgo, Taurus, Cancer, Libra, Aries, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Aquarius, Sagittarius, Gemini, Pisces, Cancer, Pisces, Leo, Aries. Oh. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.